How to enable and install plugins in Obsidian. So Obsidian has a huge library of community plugins that add features the app doesn't have by default. Here is how you can install them. So simply open your Obsidian app and down here click on Settings. Here in the left bar you have two types of plugins, core plugins and community plugins. We want to click community plugins. And here you can enable plugins which are made by third parties. Click turn on community plugins to enable them. Now you have to click browse to open the plugin library and search for whatever plugin you want. So for example, calendar. If you open calendar, you have to click install and wait until it's installed, successfully installed plugin calendar, and now you have to enable it. So click enable. Plugins don't turn on automatically after installing, you have to enable them manually. Once enabled, most plugins add a new section to your settings or to your top bar. So the calendar was added here in the right upper corner area. You can click that and use the calendar. If you ever want to turn the plugin off without uninstalling it, just go back to community plugins like before and down here search for the plugin and simply turn this switch off, and that's how you can turn it off. Then you can turn it on easily. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.